Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Education is the passport to the future, while tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Education is important for us, so in this pandemic, we all are facing many problems. One of the major problems is to continue our education. So for this purpose, we have started online classes program. As you all are promoted to second year, so our first lecture is introductory lecture of chemistry part 2. My introduction, my name is Myra and I will teach you subject chemistry. So as you all know, we are dealing with specific syllabus, so the textbook of chemistry part 2 federal board. You all will buy this book to cover your syllabus. So today our objective are discussion of paper pattern, division of marks, syllabus outline, division of syllabus. Marks division. These points are very important for you because you all are directly promoted to second year and didn't experience your exams. So according to exams point of view, you all should keep these points in your minds. The total time given for your paper is 3 hours. So this is the marks division of your paper. There are total 4 sections. Section A MCQs, Section B short questions, Section C short questions and Section D long questions. Total marks 85. So this is a sample paper of chemistry part 2, section A, which includes 17 MCQs. This is subjective portion. There are total 3 portions in subjective part. Section B, as you all can see, there are total 10 questions in section B, in which you all will attempt only 7 questions. In section C, same again, there are total 10 questions and you all will attempt only 7 questions. Each question carries equal marks. Section D, long questions. There are total 3 questions, but you all have to attempt only 2 questions. Total marks 26. So next is syllabus division, and this point is very important. So in chemistry part 2, there will be 3 categories of syllabus: organic, inorganic and other branches of chemistry. Organic chemistry. The main portion of this book is organic chemistry, which include 6 important chapters: organic compounds, hydrocarbons, alkyl halides and amines, alcohol phenol ethers, aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids. These are the main 6 chapters of this book. Next is inorganic chemistry. There are only 2 chapters of inorganic chemistry: S and P block elements, D and F block elements. In this category we will deal with the different elements of periodic table, and we will compare periodicity of different elements, and we will discuss their unique behaviors. At the end, the other branches of chemistry. We will also deal biochemistry, in which we will discuss biomolecules, industrial chemistry, in which we discuss the importance of chemicals in industries, environmental chemistry, in which we discuss the different factors that affecting our environment, and the last, analytical chemistry, in which we will discuss other different techniques which are using in chemistry. So this is all about today's lecture. In next lecture we will start our syllabus, inshallah. In the end, I want to add something, that chemistry is very important. Consider chemistry among the most useful of sciences and big future discoveries for the utility and safety of human race. As we are living in the era of chemistry, so in current situation, many chemists are fighting to create a vaccine which will be the cure of COVID-19. And inshallah, it will be discovered soon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.